Hi everyone. So a few years back, I decided to try something new. I had always wanted to learn how to ride horses, and there are a few places in Ghana where you can do this, but there's a place just close to Nsawam. So I thought I'd give it a try. Why not? I mean, there are a few other places like the polo grounds, but I figured Nsawam was cheaper, so I gave it a try. Fast forward to 3 visits and a lot of excitement, and here is how it went. Oh, and by the way, the star of this video is a horse named Yaa Asantewaa. Now, before we dive into my horseback riding experience, let me tell you a bit about this horse. She is called Yaa Asantewaa, and she's named after one of Ghana's greatest historical female figures. Let me not even say female, one of Ghana's historical figures. Yaa Asantewaa was a queen mother in the Ashanti kingdom. Her bravery and strength are legendary. Just like the queen that she is, this horse carried me throughout this adventure, and I had a lot of fun riding her. Now, let's talk about the experience. I had to book in advance, so it's important for you to know this. Book before you get there so that you are not left stranded. And first of all, you have to get comfortable with the horse, whether it's trotting or full canter. You just need to feel the horse. And let me tell you how it goes. There are a few techniques that every horseback rider should know. The first is how to mount properly, and they will teach you this, how to mount and how to dismount. Sometimes you'll get a block to mount. I think the first time I went, I got a block, but the subsequent times I didn't have a block. I just mounted, and using a block is probably the safest way for a beginner, but after my first visit, I didn't need a block to mount. Now, you also have to grip the horse. You have to hold the reins loosely but lightly, also firmly, not too tight. If you hold it too tight, the horse might get confused. If you hold it too loose, you won't have any control. So you definitely have to have the right amount of firmness and to your grip. And then your legs are also very important. That's how you communicate with the horse. Your legs as well as your grip, right? So you can press your legs on the horse and then you can release it. That is how you communicate with the animal as to the speed and things of that nature. And of course, your posture is very important. I think on my 3rd visit, aside riding on the ranch, we actually went outside and I rode into Nsawam. And I have to say, probably my posture wasn't good because after that ride, I had a lot of body pains. So it is very important to sit upright, right? So that you have good posture. Otherwise, at the end of the ride, you might feel some body pains. Just keep that in mind. Now, some cool facts about horses. Do you know that they have almost 360-degree vision? Yes, they can see in almost probably 270-degree vision. They can see in all directions very clearly. And also a horse's heart rate can reach up to 240 beats per minute if it is galloping at full speed. Now, during the ride, it is very important to stay relaxed, to pay attention to your instructor, and then to keep a good balance so that you don't fall off. And also, don't pull too hard on the reins. Remember that when you pull, it's a form of communication for the horse. So don't pull too hard on the reins. Just have a good, firm grip. At the end of the day, horseback riding is all about connection. You have to connect with your horse. Learning the art of balance and enjoying the rhythm between you and the animal is not just about the ride. It's about the trust you build with the animal. And I believe at the end of this ride, Asantewaa and I had build some kind of trust. So if you've ever been curious about horseback riding, maybe it's time to saddle up. And don't forget, you can try out Yaa Asantewaa around Nsawam. Like I said, there are so many other places that you can learn how to horseback ride in Ghana. I understand there's a place in Sunyani Equestrian Club. There's obviously the polo grounds in Accra. There is also an equestrian center in Tema. I understand Boti Falls also has horseback riding. I've been to Boti Falls a few times and I have never seen this, but I'm told they have one as well. There's Adriana horseback riding in Kumasi. There's Kintampo horseback riding as well. And then apparently there's Mango Tree Riding School in Accra. I have no idea what that is. So please, if you're ever interested in horseback riding, and you're in Ghana, there are definitely a few places that you can visit and then take your turn. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section of this video and I will do my best. I try as much as possible to respond to every single comment. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure.
Hey, Chick, are you not tired?
Oh, that was a smooth one.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies.
This girl, yeah.